Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to believe in yourself, believe in the channels that you have been taking, believe in the path that you've been taking, the downloads that you've been getting. It's only been a one of one. On the conversation on the phone, it's only been you, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. You guys only know the conversation. So I want you to be bold, consistent, and confident in yourself and believe. Keep pushing forward. You did not come this far to stop. It's time to keep pushing forward. It's about 20 meters left in this race before we start the new one. And the next race is way more beautiful than you can expect. It's going to be sunshine. It's going to be blessings. It's going to be breakthroughs. It might just make you cry from your happiness because you've succeeded. I believe in myself, in the beauty of life, in the goodness of God. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me, so why stop? When the Almighty supports you, you've won. There's no reason not to stop. The world is yours. Everything in the world belongs to you. You just have to claim it. And if you don't, the universe says that you don't want it. Therefore, you won't have it. Claim everything, any and everything that you want, because it all belongs to you. You have the right to it. My life is showered with divine light, and my heart opens to the power of the universe. Believe in yourself, the steps, your intuitions, and your intelligence, and your work ethic. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.